I'm Nick with Fire Wrangler, and tonight we're cooking beef for dinner. We got some beautiful ribeyes from Mason Hills Farms in Alabama, and they deserve to be treated right, so we're gonna go ahead and marinate them in some good red wine. It's all gonna be over the top, but when you got this good quality cut of beef, you gotta do something a little extra. Let's get started. These ribeyes are gonna marinate for about 2 hours in red wine. I'm using a Pinot Noir. You can use your favorite wine, but I do say when I marinate or cook with wine, make sure you're not using a cheap wine. Use at least the wine that you're willing to drink on its own, because you do taste that flavor. We'll go ahead and season these after they're done marinating. But right now, we're gonna let the tannins in the wine do all the work. Put that in the refrigerator for a couple hours, come back and check it out. We went ahead and drained all the wine off these steaks. They were in the refrigerator for about 2.5 or 3 hours. They got some great color on them. I definitely feel a little bit more tender than they were before, which that's the tannins from the wine going to work on the meat. I can't believe how much flavor that's gonna interact with it. I'm just telling you, at the very end, you're gonna get that nice, wonderful grapey pop of wine. These ribeyes look absolutely killer, how thick they are. I just love it. We're gonna hit them with some seasoning and then get them over the charcoal. Going in first with some barbecue butter bomb. Gotta have that butter on that steak. Then going in with tried and true, that Fire Wrangler cattle call, that nice coarse grind SPG, if that's what you got at the house, definitely use it. You can smell the herbs in it. They really complement that wine. That's it. Now that we've made a good mess, we're going on that charcoal fire until these hit an internal temp of about 130 degrees. To be able to take a ribeye up to 11, you got to do quite a bit of work because it's already such a great cut of meat. So we did that with that wine marinade, with some blue cheese topping, with some tallow fried potatoes over here. That right there is a dish that's, again, kicked up to 11. Let's see how we did. Yeah. Edge to edge, medium rare. That wine really mixes with the fat in the ribeye, and it kind of gets stuck in there, so you do get that pop. It's not over alcohol-y or anything like that, but it's that nice earthy, grapey tone from the wine. Mix that with some blue cheese, add a little bit of that funk on there. It really kind of adds like everything, every note you want to hit, all comes together. I love taking a standard ribeye, which is already a great weeknight or weekend meal, and again, kicking it up to 11 with something like wine, something like tallow, something like blue cheese. Continue to elevate, continue to innovate your meals. Try something like this at home.